Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Empresa Elementary School, home of the Knights in Oceanside, California. Just got done sharing my heart with the after-school program, AM/PM, students and staff here in the MPR. I got to revisit a very important topic, one that's close to my heart, which was bullying, and the sub-theme was look at the heart first. And we hear the word bullying over and over and over again, but this one presentation, it's trying to focus more on seeing someone for their heart before anything else, right? Just like you see your best friend. We know our heart's as big as our fist, but if we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign, where one finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself by how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, one, two, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action, 2 seconds. What we say or do can maybe uplift somebody as high as the clouds, right? That it stays on their heart in a positive way forever. Or conversely, we can say something so mean and rude that it stays on their heart in a very negative way for the rest of their life. So we always have this choice, right? Are we gonna help to fix hearts or break hearts? And we know that our tongues have no bones, but they can do a great job at both. So hopefully we choose to help fix them, like one of the slides from the talk today that you see on the screen here. And not just thinking about, our own heart, because it hurts when we're mean to other people, but of course it also hurts when people are mean to us. So if we're able to really kind of place ourselves in someone else's position and really think about the potential impact that it might not just be for that day, but could stay, on their heart forever. We know that we want to try to leave positive marks, right? Positive heart prints throughout not just our elementary days or years, but for the rest of our life. And we know that the biggest reason that bullying happens is that hurt people, right? Which is a choice. But we also know that healed people heal people. And hopefully we're gonna choose the latter, to be able to step into that healing, to have our hearts heal. And that if we are shown that type of kindness from someone else, whether they include us, whether they do an act of kindness towards us, now we can go and be the light to someone else's heart, and help that person out and give that gift, kind of pay it forward in a sense. And so this means that we look at the heart first. We also see ourselves and others for this too, the fact that we're all true miracles. I do this in every assembly. It's so important to me, but all of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M. I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. We have at least one in each hand. That M stands for miracle. The front of my shirt, upside down W for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that, now it's our job as human beings to go out and try to help the people around us, right? To make this planet a little bit better place, to try to uplift humanity a few notches. Students really got that today. A lot of them came up to me, said that something touched their heart, that they love when I keep coming back for these assemblies time after time. I got one more visit in May, so we'll see you again then on another great topic. But until then, really try to implement some of these life lessons into your daily lives and make sure you keep your hearts open to that love. Thanks again for touching my heart. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you watch this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.